Alright guys, so what I'm doing quickly is I'm here about to take this lip kit off. Full lip kit. Taking the side skirts, the rear lip kit, that's my buddy's doing that right now. And the front lip kit. So my buddy's here, he brought out his Audi. And my next dog's here, he brought out his Lexus. And I brought out the second car. But as you can see, I'm here taking this lip kit off. And what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna put it on my car. Alright, so there's one more thing I'm about to do too. When I got this car, they were sitting on summer rims, as you can see right now, and these are the summer tires. I'm about to throw the winter rims on these, so if anything, if I want to drive this in the winter, I have full accessibility. I can drive properly, because right now too, when I'm driving with the summers and it's a little bit wet, I'm spinning these tires. Like, these tires are spinning. Looks good though. The car is very well maintained. One thing I'm very happy though is I got the nav screen. Yeah, that shit is hard. In the nighttime, the difference between the base model screen and the nav screen is a whole different level. Like, this thing is tough. Even though it's outdated, it still looks hard. It still looks hard. But I'm about to take these side skirts off. I'm about to take the lip kit off, and I'm about to put on the winter rims. There's an OEM A-spec lip right there. Alright, so we're here and we're taking off the slip kit. As you can see, this side looks a lot more harder. I got two pieces off the lip kit, the side skirts and the rear. The rear's off. And then it's got to get mesquite. It looks mesquite. But that's how it looks without the lip kit, the side skirts. I didn't even know that this comes like that. I thought it came with a normal piece on top of it and then the lip kit, but that's how it looks. Look at this man popping his car all the way out here. But yeah, I'm getting the front lip taken off just now. And then I'll see how it looks. Alright, so what I'm doing quickly is about to put these fenders in back, and then I'm about to throw on the tire. I was checking a bunch of stuff out. I just got this side skirt off. But I still have this one more to do, no? Yeah, I still have this one to do. Once I get this fender off. I'm just getting the tape off of that. You see my one brethren in there beating his tunes. But I got most of the side skirts off, or the lip kit. As you can see, I got the two side skirts. I got the rear right there, and then I'm taking off the front right now. I'm taking off side skirts after that.
Just hit a button, Morty. Give me a beat. Oh man, okay, all right.
This thing's clean, man. I like it. That shit's hard. Alright, so what we just did was we took the full A-spec lip off the car. As you can see right here, all the pieces are right here. front lip, rear lip, and the 2 side skirts. As you can see, I also took the rims off my car. This was the one rim that still is left on it, but I put the winters on it, and I'm gonna drive with the winters for now. But as you can see, front lips taken off it, side skirts taken off it. Looks a little mesquite with the side skirts taken off it, but it's fine for now. Rear lips taken off of it as well. And then I took off my my summers. My buddy said he wants to get a little one-on-one with these 2 cars, so I'm gonna see how it goes. At the same time, this car is front-wheel drive, 4-cylinder. This car is six-cylinder and front-wheel drive as well. Shout out my boy Ravi, yo. He helps me out all the time I need help. So as you guys seen, I took off the full A-spec clip off the car, and this is off my second whip I just got. My buddy helped me out, Ravi. Check out his hard ass whip. He's out here. Let me see those fog. And then my dog's with his Audi. He's out here too. I'm telling you, we're out here. I wish I had my second whip lined up. We'd be sick. But don't worry, we're all tough out here. Saying you put that light on your door, eh? That's tough, yo. That's tough.
It's manual too. 6 speed. I don't know how to drive manual.
This car looks so hard. Yes, Ravi. Yo, that's my dog. That's so tough. I did not see that coming still. I did not see that coming. Me and this guy, well, this guy's carrying 1. I'm carrying 3. We just found this motherfucking car. This storage is big as a mother. I got stuck in this thing like twice. I got stuck in the main one over there like once. And now I found this cart because we're both dying of breath. Holy shit. I'm just trying to move these to my storage. But stay tuned, watch this. Alright, so there's something quick I'm about to do is I'm about to switch out these WeatherTech mats as I got these with the car. And this fresh ass tire. My tire is not that fresh anymore. But as you see, I got these WeatherTech mats. And I'm about to switch that out on my car because my car does not have WeatherTech mats in the back. And I'm not giving that to the next owner, I'm sorry. That's tough. Even these WeatherTech mats, yeah, it's too. I think these are the originals, but I never had these, so I'm putting these in my car. I'm doing that right now. I'm just taking out the stuff out of my car right now. You see. I brought both of these cars with me. And as you see, I just brought both of these cars out. It's a whole lineup with me and my dogs now. Me and my buddies are here. Even my one cousin probably KO'd up in the freaking car. But we're out here. Whole setup. And I brought both these cars out because I wanted to put the side skirts back on this car. As you see, and this girl's coming busting around the corner. You can't. Jesus Christ. But as you see, I want to put these side strips back on because I took off the A-spec side skirts and it looked very bad without the anything. I was just normal baseboard, so I ended up buying side skirts and put it back on because. Alright, so I did a couple things with this. I put the side skirts back on it. And then I put my LEDs in the license plate. I'll show you guys when it gets a little darker. We're just here chilling right now. My buddy's about to spray a couple things on his Jeep. And we're here.
It's not going to go out like the way.
Alright guys, so as you see, I switched out my license plate light and it looks better than before. I got these two lined up, back to back, or front to front I guess. And these are looking hard. I put the side skirts back on there. I did a little more touch-ups. I put this clip back in so the bumper is proper again. I fixed up there. It's looking proper again. So everything's looking nice with this car. So it looks good. These cars look amazing together. So I'm about to head home and I'll see you guys in the next vlog. Alright. You ready? 3, 2, 1, go! That's that Audi, eh? The man fucking ate me in the Audi.
Whoa, that goes hard.